In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix stream volume on Discord. So let's get started. Now we're gonna go over some of the common fixes and you can go ahead and try all of them out to see if anyone works out, okay? So well, the first fix is very simple. So as you can see, I'm in a random Discord server in a random stream, and as you can see, someone is streaming right now. Obviously there is no volume because he has probably muted it, but suppose there is volume and you can't hear anything, okay? The first fix that you could do is you could just right click on the stream, and as you can see there's this option of stream volume. So you could just go ahead and adjust it. For example, it could be set to 0 and that could be the reason why you can't hear anything. Well, so that's the first fix. Now you could also go ahead and probably change the volume of the people. So for example, if you can't hear this particular person, you could also go ahead and right click on them and you would see this option of user volume, okay? So as you can see, for me it is set to max, but obviously you can go ahead and adjust it. So for example, if someone is being annoying, you can just go ahead and mute him directly from here, yeah? Then we have the enable sound option when you are screen sharing. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. So one second, so there you go, I see the share your screen option. Click on it, and suppose I go ahead and choose a window. So let's say this Discord window right there. Then I have to go ahead and make sure that I'm sharing the audio. So there would be a slider here. You'll have to make sure that you open it up. For example, in this case, so right there, I have to make sure I open this, yeah? So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on cancel, and the video has opened, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close that as well. Alright, perfect. Now let's go over the next fix, that is check the app volume mixer. So now this is for Windows. So Windows sometimes lowers Discord volume separately. So the fix is that you right click the sound icon on the bottom right corner, and you have to make sure that your Discord and your browser or game are not muted or they're not too low. Then we have that if you are the streamer, you have to change app audio output. So for example, if you stream a game but viewers hear nothing, game is using headphones output, not speakers. So the fix is that you have to open game settings and change the output device to the same device Discord uses, and then obviously you'll have to go ahead and restart the stream. And sometimes it could also be a Discord bug, so just go ahead and refresh your Discord. So just do alt F4 and or do command Q on Mac, and your Discord should close, and just go ahead and reopen it, and hopefully it is fixed. Now these are some of the most common fixes, so I hope that this video helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.